Okay, so an inspiration board can help inspire you, lift you up, and help you achieve your goals by keeping your to-do list, and it's actually going to help you keep all those goals front and center.
That's right. We have Meghan Craig, Hallmark senior writer, here to help us get started on a board that's going to make an impact. First off, before we get started, I'm going to hit you with a question that you might not be prepared for. What does a senior writer at Hallmark do?
I write cards, I write for social media, just basically anything they need writing for.
So when I go to the store to buy my wife an anniversary card, you may have written that nice saying that I'm trying to send to her?
Yes, that's possible. Oh. Yes.
Well, it's good to have a face behind the name. Appreciate it. Thank you.
Nice
All right, well, we are making a fun DIY project, an inspiration board. What makes the best goals for our inspiration board, and should they be unique to the individual?
Yeah, so I think that the new year is a great time to do this because it's a time to stop and think about not only what are your New Year's resolutions, how do you want to better yourself, but how can you kind of care for yourself more and care for those around you. So the inspiration board is a great way to do that. You can kind of think about what you want to do this year in your life and then post those little reminders that you can just kind of catch your eye throughout the day to inspire you.
All right, well, let's kind of get started here, and as you're starting from the beginning, kind of show us what we should aim for and what pieces should we be adding to our board here?
Okay, so we're going to start with a cork square like this. You can get it at any craft store.
Like bulletin board type material? Okay.
But then the great thing is you can cover it with Hallmark gift wrap. And Hallmark gift wrap is great for crafting. So it's super durable. You can get it in a lot of different patterns, colors. So we're going to make, this is mine right here. We're going to make one for you today.
All right.
You cover the cork square with the gift wrap and just kind of wrap it like a gift. And then in the back you can use hot glue or tacks. And then once you've done that, then you're ready to kind of add your own personal touch.
Okay, this almost seems like a scrapbook type of thing that then you put on your, but maybe it's something, I mean, whereas we don't look at our scrapbooks that we made, 20 years ago, but we can look at this every day and just, continue to aim and focus on our goals, right?
Right, and this is fun because you can switch out your gift wrap to kind of match your decor for the season or whatever you want and switch out your goals too, so it's kind of fun.
So here you have, apparently you have some pictures of me. And
social media.
Yeah, and some of my family here, so have we put these on here yet, or how do we fix these on the paper? Because I want to show them.
My example right here has like some cards. I think greeting cards are a great way to kind of get inspirational quotes. You can frame them around your house or put them up on the board.
Do you have any greeting cards that you wrote on your board?
You know what? I don't think I personally wrote any of those. I guess, you can inspire yourself and write your own or find another card. But so we brought some examples for you to choose from too. What are your goals for 2019?
What are my goals? I want to focus more on my family. I want to focus more on my relationship with my wife and I. Make sure my work goals are where they want to be at. Do what I can to improve my work here and in my other jobs. So those are kind of my silos, so to speak, for 2019.
Yep. Well, we have some of the same goals. So I've got a picture of my family up on the board. We brought pictures for you, and I've got a card on mine that says I love our little family, which is great for me, just a reminder of like take that time to be intentional about family time. And so we've brought some examples for you to choose from too.
Oh, your family's so super cute.
Yeah, my husband's gonna love that I brought that picture, but so yeah, we've got some examples that you could choose from here. Like this one says what really matters.
Yeah.
Family time.
You know what, I love this, and I think you already got it laid out perfect. The only thing I'm gonna do is today is a good day to have a good day. Just sometimes when we wake up, we have those moments of like, ugh, I got to do it all over again. But you know, it's a reminder that we're waking up. It's going to be a good day. We're going to have a good day.
Yes,
so there we go.
That's a good one.
So how do I
love what you do? That's a good one for.
And then you just put these on here with some tape or something. I want to kind of show this, but we've already. Oh, you've kind of done it here.
Washi tape right there. You could use a tack if you want. We've got tacks here too.
We might use a tack to go a little faster here because we only got a few seconds left, and I want to show it off before we're done here. So this is how we fast craft.
Yeah, fast craft. So you can find DIY inspiration like this at thinkmakeshareblog.com or Hallmark, actually social media, our Instagram account, and Think Make Share Instagram account has also a lot of really great quotes and inspiration.
Your Instagram account tagged me the other day, and I got so many more followers, and I felt like a social media superstar for a little while. So we appreciate that.
So yeah, imagine that these are all stuck down.
And there it is. There is my focus board. Thank you very much. We appreciate your time, Meghan.
Yeah, thanks for having me.
I feel ready to go for 2019. So, Belinda?